Yeah.
Tire, air of the tire.
Circus. Front springs look nice and squishy.
Oh, front springs?
Yeah, they look good. Like they look like how they should. When you hit the brakes, they compress a little bit. Like they look nice and soft. Oh my god. Dude, those are huge. They look so sick. Go ahead, drop it. Oh my gosh. You gotta stand next to that thing. How tall are you?
6'1".
6'1"?
6'1"-ish.
Damn, bro. Those look good.
Competition.
Uh-huh.
Soft compound. Stick to the rocks.
Dude, those are... Let me put them side by side. Oh my god. They look so much better, dude. Because I bet you the actual rubber itself is a 42, but I bet you that with the depth of the tread block, which is probably an inch, you know, they're probably different. That's like a big... Dude, that's like...
That's a... What, 2 inches difference there?
Yeah, these are supposed to both be 42s, but I wonder if they just measure different, dude. Some tire companies kind of do their own thing and...
Hey.
Huh.
Again, there's no weight on it, but...
Yeah. Huh. Well, let's
mount up one and put it on the truck and see what it looks like.
Yeah. You know what I heard, right?
Yes.
I heard that only bad boys use chrome sockets on their impacts.
Oh.
I didn't know you were a bad boy.
I'm just gonna drop them all down below.
Yeah. Nice air conditioning unit.
You like it? This is what we get around here.
Pop that plate off. I want to see what it looks like. That's fine. It's better than nothing. Oh, look at that.
There you go. That's what bead lock
That's
is.
a bad mama jamma. Nice. No bead breaker. So we're going to see if we can break the bead with the truck. Keep coming. A little bit more. So, go back. It didn't get it. So driving over it didn't work. So we got the car trailer with the block of wood and it worked. But now we just need to break the rest, I guess. Damn, those things are huge, dude. Yeah. Oh, I gotta push the wheel in towards you. You gotta push the tire towards me.
I'm trying. Sounds like it took.
Yeah. Hold the tire.
Yep, got it.
I'm gonna record. There you go. It's about nice. That's it. Wasn't that exciting? Oh, where'd Nate go? Nate, where'd you go? Oh. That's funny, dude. What are you doing?
Trying to center the tire up on the wheel. You can see all the holes around it. We're just trying to eyeball it. Trying to get the wheel as center, the tire center as possible, because when we lock it down, there's no moving this thing.
Yeah. You ready for the ring?
I think we're ready for the ring, man. It looks pretty. As square as what the eye will get it.
Yep. Nice.
And now we get to tighten all the bolts.
I wonder how many there is.
How many? Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 31.
Man, that is a lot of clamping force.
That is a lot.
That's good though. I mean, like, as I guess it's better to have more and then not have to have them as tight or anything. So
yeah,
that's good. I guess let's start starting them. Oh, I got PTSD from my tire. Nice. It's insane, dude. They're huge.
Oh, that's a job done.
Oh, my back.
That's the job done. Now 4 tires are going on the truck, and let's see how it looks.
Pretty cool. They look so good. They just look like freaking meats, dude. Like just crazy big.
They are massive tires. Are those the tools? Yeah. The rentals?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Change the bearing on it.
Feeling worn out?
Yes, I am very worn out. Are you?
I feel better now that we're at the easy part. I'm just excited to see him on the truck.
Glad we have a nice breeze and the sun's behind clouds.
Mm-hmm.
Now it won't fit in the garage.
So how many hours would that take? It was
No, we start at 3 o'clock?
about 3 o'clock.
3:30.
3:30, yeah.
What time is it now?
I think it's like 7.
So an hour a tire?
Yeah, so getting rid of the 40s, 42s, Maxxis tires. There was 40s on it before. There were the Maxxis stickies, but now he's got $4,000 big stickies,
Yes.
and they look killer. Like they look insane.
You can see how far I've moved the rear axle now.
Yeah.
But now the issue is big tire, not much room. I want to cut that out.
Yep.
The front though should be good, I hope.
Yeah.
I'll twist that up and see how close it is to everything.
Nate, I don't know if haven't done an update on it, but Nate also redid the entire dash with a full set of gauges. He built this entire dash with the help of a friend. He stamped out all the... What'd you do with your dash?
My buddy has a sign shop, and I brought my truck to him, and he was able to measure out my dash and put it into a CNC machine and cut out some nice panels.
It looks killer, dude.
And then he gave me this vinyl wrap to put on it all.
Yeah, it looks awesome. Hopefully I'll have a picture of how it looked before. Hey, I'm sure you do.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, you have to send it to me. Bro, it feels taller, like
yes,
quite a bit. What's your transfer case setup?
NP 203 to 205 double.
Okay.
Can't tell if it's a four-wheel drive or not.
Once you feel it binding up in the front?
No, I just don't know if it is. Oh, wait. That's right. This is rear. This is front. Okay.
Oh, you switched them?
There we go. No, they're just backwards.
The handles?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Dude, this thing feels like we're on top of the world right now.
It feels huge. Like it feels like a monster truck.
Ride's pretty good.
It does. Some fresh rubber, man. That other rubber is probably 10 years old.
I don't feel anything like shaking or...
No, they feel pretty good. The other ones were bouncy.
Yeah, they were.
These feel better.
29 miles an hour.
I don't wave. Is that even street legal?
You know that they are.
It's gonna be weird wheeling it, dude, once you take it out. What'd you change now?
It's all low range. Let's see how it feels.
What?
Something's not here.
I feel like it's slipping a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, she sounds good. Dude, it sounds so good. Those are so pissed off over there.
Oh yeah, they are.
Did it miss the gear because of the fluid?
I downshifted.
Oh, on accident?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it needs a little though.
The tire's got a little bit of a wobble to it, but not like really bad. I think it's okay.
Yeah, no, but
No, it's a crawler.
you get half the people around here that are car people.
I know.
I think this stuff's awesome. The other half can't stand it.
Yeah. A little bit low on transmission fluid. I guess you got a leak in the pan.
That was a bad leak.
Yeah.
I should probably tighten up all the bolts and start there.
For everything? Oh, yeah, yeah. I would. Snug them. Sweet. Hey, hold on. Oh, wait, keep going. That right there. Hold on, stop. That's about as much as you can go because it's going to flip the other tire if you do. They're not even. Dude. That's hilarious. It was like sliding the other one off, but then it finally grabbed it.